Today, we're doing one of the most beloved salads in the world.
Made even better with some homemade Italian dressing.
Chilled, crisp lettuce tossed with all your favorite Italian flavors.
Oh, you can serve it as an entree or the beginning of an amazing Italian feast.
And this salad is as beautiful as it is delicious.
Gorgeous.
And it is delicious. And it should be because I say it's got everything but the
Look
kitchen
at
sink.
all of that. All of that.
If you, whatever, it is awesome. It is
It's a salad. Put a little quotes around
it does have lettuce in there. Speaking of lettuce, let's talk about that real quick before we get started.
Yes.
So I'm doing a romaine lettuce. This is a heart romaine, and then this is iceberg lettuce. This is a half of a head of iceberg lettuce, and you want this to be nice and chilled, and you want to clean it. So I just cut it in half. I rinsed it under some water, and then put them, cut side down on paper towels. Do the same thing with your romaine, and then chill it. Put it in the refrigerator and get it nice and chilled. You can do this hours and hours in advance. Like we did. Okay, I'm going to start. I have got so much stuff here, which we will talk about here in just a moment. I know it's like we had to bring in another room just to put everything. But I'm going to start just chopping this up. I'm going to chop it kind of nice and fine.
I love it.
And you're going to make dressing.
I'm going to make the Italian dressing, y'all.
Yay.
I love this Italian dressing.
It is a game changer.
And it's super easy.
It really is.
So
You'll never buy the bottled stuff again.
Never, 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 never. I don't think we do anyway.
No.
So I've got 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to get that in there. Get those.
That have been minced.
Yes, minced cloves of garlic.
And you're going to do the emulsification in a jar. It's so easy.
Makes it so much easier. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. You got to have that cheese in there.
I'm just giving my lettuce here a nice rough chop.
There you go.
I like to chop it kind of finely, but if you like it big and leafy, you can do that too.
I like a chopped salad chopped.
I want it chopped.
Then I've got some chopped parsley.
There you go.
I've got a tablespoon of this.
And that's Italian parsley.
Italian parsley. Ooh, we're fancy.
We're going Italian.
I know, I'm being silly. And then I've got some red wine vinegar. I've got a...
that's white wine vinegar.
Sorry, yeah, that's white wine.
That would be why it's not red.
This is a third a cup. Okay, all right.
That gives you that little tang that you
want.
Yes.
And then I've got some Italian seasoning here. I've got oregano, some basil, and some onion powder, and this is all a teaspoon each.
Yep.
So I'm gonna get those in there. Oh, y'all, that's starting to smell really good.
I know, I'm telling you, this flavor.
Then I want a tablespoon of honey, and I am just gonna eyeball that.
That's the way to do it. Mm-hmm. It gives a little hint of sweetness, which is so heavenly.
Then I have some juice of a lemon. How's the chopping coming?
It's coming lovely. See, I've got it right over here.
Wow, okay.
I know.
Oh,
throw away
that's a juicy lemon.
It is a juicy lemon. Don't overdo it.
I'll be careful with that.
Yeah, depending on how juicy your lemon is, you typically want about, I'd say, a healthy tablespoon of lemon juice.
I love that.
I know, but that's, again, that tartness that is acid. While you're doing that, I'm gonna get our cucumber ready.
Perfect. And now I've got a 2/3 a cup of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil.
I did this kind of in like a cute little fashion of peeling it. You can peel it all. You don't have to peel it. I just think it's kind of pretty. I'm going to cut, while you're doing it, I'm going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to cut the halves in half.
Got it. And now I'm just going to finish it off with some salt, a big pinch of salt, and then a big pinch of pepper. And I'm going to shake,
rattle, and roll. This
or
is
Taylor Swift
so
would say.
awesome. Shake. And now I'm just going to get these. I like to remove these seeds. I just got a spoon that I'm doing that with. Yep, go ahead.
I'm shaking.
Shake her up, baby.
Wow, y'all, look at that. That is gorgeous. That
is flavor.
Oh.
That is, I'm telling you, it is the real deal, and you'll just, you see how easy it is, and once you have it on this salad, or we make it with a pasta salad, it is so good.
So good. I'm going to stick this in the fridge while you're still cutting.
Now it needs a little time just to get those flavors to meld, but it's still even good right now. And in this, so I've cut that in half, and then you see I took out the seed, and now we're just going to put these into small little bites.
I'm going to clean up a little bit.
Okay, and so anyway, I'm going to finish this up. We're going to let that chill, and then we're going to go over, I hope you pull up a chair, relax, because we're going to go over all of these ingredients. Okay, It's assembly time. We have got an assembly line set up.
Look
like
at
nothing.
all of this wonderfulness.
And the great thing about this kind of a salad is, you know, obviously you can adapt it to whatever you've got on hand, whatever you like, what your guests like.
Yes.
We had a dinner party the other night where we had some guests over and we had someone who couldn't eat cheese or meat. So we were able to make hers separately. And so you can adapt. It's very easy. So that being said, let's go to town.
Let's do it.
We're just going to start adding things. So we've got 3 different types of olives. These are just good green pitted. I can't speak.
And I've got some black olives here that are also
pitted black olives.
Just gonna make a cute little sign.
We love the addition of Italian cured meats. So this is salami. That we cut into bite-sized pieces.
Love it. I've got some chickpeas or garbanzo beans.
Garbanzo beans, just drained garbanzo beans, add a nice little crunch and texture. These are Kalamata olives.
These are about like a third of a cup each,
Oh,
or 3/4 of a cup. Maybe?
Half a cup. I'm going to say you're going to probably want to do about a half a cup. This is chopped red onion. You're going to probably want to do, well, again, this just depends on what you like.
Yeah.
I'm going to do probably about a 1/4 cup of the red onion.
I've got some smoked ham here.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
That we've cut up. This is that cucumber that you were seeing. I don't think I'm going to put all of that in there. I ended up using half of that cucumber.
I'm making some space for the other stuff.
I know, you have to make space. This is Mortadella, which is basically Italian bologna.
I love mortadella.
I do too. You can find it in the deli section of most supermarkets.
Okay, now I've got some radish. I love me some peppery radish.
I do too.
Oh,
I do
so
too.
Good.
And then of course you got to have some cheese. You got to have. So these are little balls of mozzarella that I've cut into halves.
You need tomatoes. We've got some cherry tomatoes.
Some colorful cherry tomatoes. Yeah.
Look at that, people.
That's
gorgeous.
amazing. That is beautiful.
And then just to top it all off, we want to throw in a couple of these.
The pepperoncini.
Pepperoncinos. It's always nice to have a little heat in there.
Yeah, and I mean they have mild ones or at least medium ones, and
if you don't like them, pick them out.
That's right. I love them so much. Okay,
There we go. Look at that,
beautiful.
y'all. That is gorgeous.
It is. It's so
That is
festive.
absolutely gorgeous.
Now I'm going to add just another pinch of kosher salt. We'll add pepper at the end, and then I'm going to add a healthy pinch of dried oregano. Isn't that
I
beautiful?
love the oregano.
Okay, am I doing the honors?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Shake it.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake it up. Okay, so now you're definitely going to want to always do that before you serve this because it will separate a little bit on you. And go easy on it. It's so easy to overdress because once you've overdressed, you can't go back.
No.
So we're going to say anywhere from a 1/4 cup to a half a cup, but I'm eyeballing it.
Go all over that thing. Oh, yes.
That's probably, I've already probably overdressed it.
No, you probably
I know.
haven't.
I mean,
There's a lot of lettuce on
There's a lot to go around. That's true.
We'll save that over here. Just
Okay.
now.
All right. So
Toss that. Oh, wait, hold.
well, do you want to do it on your individual?
Maybe. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
All right. And then it just all comes together.
You notice how I kept this cutting
Yes.
board here for a catch-all?
Yes, catch-all. That's a good idea. You know me. We
You
love
guys.
going to Italian restaurants and getting a salad like this. I think everyone does. It's
Yes.
such a favorite thing to do.
Oh, years ago, we would, in New York, we would go to this place called Carmine's.
Which I'm sure all of you have heard of.
A lot of tourists love to go there now. But it was the best, and they would serve everything family style, and they had a great chopped salad.
They did. We would get that, or we would get
And the chicken masala.
We would a lot, but they would also get their Caesar salad. That's a big old clump of mortadella.
I know. Spread that mortadella
I know, I'm
out.
spreading the love, and just keep doing it until you get everything really well distributed. That's nicely dressed. You don't want it dripping, but you want it nicely coated. So,
Oh, Chris.
oh boy, I'm so excited.
Oh, all right. You have to give me all of the loving.
I'm going to.
There we go.
Okay, now this is where I'm going to probably make a mess.
That's okay.
But
There you
we'll
go. Boop. There, you did it.
Yay! All right, let's have some more.
More, please. More.
More, please.
Oh, wow.
That's beautiful.
Oh, I see some mortadella here that I want to grab.
Yeah. Mortadella has become one of our favorite things to eat. I've always loved bologna, which I guess that's I've always
Yeah,
been
that's
sort of
Italian bologna.
full of it. Anyway, okay. That is great. If you wanted to do a little shaved Parmesan on there, you could. Do you want to do the pepper?
You can do that. Hold on, let me just make it.
Make a pretty picture.
Space here. There you go. You go here.
Okay, so now we're going to do a little
There you go, perfect.
Freshly ground pepper makes everything better for the most part. And this is, like I said, it's so chock full of ingredients. You could have it as an entree, but it is the perfect start
Guys.
of an Italian feast.
This is one of my favorite salads.
too.
This and a Cobb. Oh, and the
Cobb's.
Caesar.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I like the fine chop on the lettuce. I just think it's
too.
It makes it easier to grab so many ingredients.
Okay, I'm gonna. I
can't
think
get
I've got
everything.
a bunch
You
of
can't
stuff on
literally
here. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. That dressing,
That dressing.
it's just so vibrant. The lettuce is crisp.
God,
Oh, there's those cucumbers.
this salad, it really is. Oh, hold on.
And it's not heavy. That's why it's so great for serving before you're having, like serving your entrees. It really starts things off wonderfully. And we have some of that salami.
I love that.
Open salami.
What? Open sesame.
Open sesame. Well, for
No.
me, it's salami. What?
This salad is 500,000% lunar-proof.
Wow, that's pretty good. It's
For a
not
salad.
meat. I know, you guys.
Although the meat in here is delicious.
It is. All right, we hope you guys are having a great time, and we hope you make a salad.
Hey, this salad, it's so great. And you don't have to do it, obviously, as giant as this one.
Oh, yeah, you do. I think you should. And when you do, take a picture of it and send it to us.
Yeah.
All right, we love you guys.
Love you guys.
Mwah.
Yay!